Hey guys, this is Shane with DNS Adventures, and today I just wanted to make a quick little video showing you how I hooked the front end loader up to my Emax 20s. So I'm probably not going to take it off as soon as I put it on just because that's extra work and I actually need to get some stuff done today. But I took the front end loader off so it was easier to mow around the yard. So now I'm going to be throwing the front end loader back on so I can move some gravel around. So normally when the front end loader is attached, this little cylinder here is resting on top of this concave surface in here. But right now, since the front loader is off, it is now sitting on these two stands and also the bucket itself. So in order to get this guy back on, I need to set this on here and line up these holes here so I can stick this pin through in order to hold it back onto the tractor. So the first step, if you haven't already done it, is to pull your tractor up and get it pretty close to this cylinder, because you're going to be moving the bucket around via the hydraulics in order to put the bucket back, or the front end loader back up on the tractor itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually hook up the hydraulic lines in order to do that. And although these lines are color coded, I just went ahead and wrote down the number from top to bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I always know what line I need to hook in first. Real easy to do though. You just take your line. This is T1. Stick it in there. Also the yellow line. You can see it's a yellow plug here. And you just repeat that for each one. Just pull this guy back, shove it in there. And make sure you wear an old shirt while you do this, unlike me, because you'll start getting grease stains all over you if you bump into the zerks everywhere. Next step is to turn on this tractor. Make sure the hydraulic fluid is now flowing through everything. Just want to push the loader right back. As you lift the bucket, it'll push that right into place. Just gotta make sure it's on both sides. Then if you lift up the bucket, that'll pop these holes into place. Then you go ahead and fly these pins in on both sides. You might have to play with your loader a little bit in order to get those pins in there like I just did. Once that's in there, all you gotta do is lift this guy back up. Take this pin out, hold them back up, and stick your pin right back in there. And put your cotter pin in. Repeat on the other side. And just like that, you got your front end loader attached again. Now you can go move gravel. Just like me.